Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the arithmetic operations on images. Okay, so you have to take two images and we are going to do all the arithmetic operations that we can do on the images. Okay, so let's first start. Before starting, I hope you have watched the tutorial 1 and 2 and this is the tutorial 3, right? So do watch that and then come so that you will have an idea how the things goes, okay? So here we are going to discuss about the arithmetic operations on images, okay? So the first operation is the addition of two images, okay? So let's write the first step, import CV2. Okay, in the next line I am going to take img1 is equals to CV2 dot im read of, let's give an image. Okay, so let's give R. All these things I have been explaining in the last videos. Let's first go take an image URL and then come. Okay, so I have copied a URL and I'm going to paste it here. This is the first image. Now let's give the second image, cv2 dot im read of R, and then let's give the next image, which is like of 1 dot png, right? These are the two images that I am going to choose and we are going to add them together. Okay, be careful while taking the two images because the two images should have the same dimension. Okay, so let's take the third image is equals to cv2 dot add weighted. This is the function that we are going to use in order to add two of the images. Okay, add weighted, and let's give the img1 comma the weight that you have to use. Okay, the weight of the first input to be applied on the final image. Okay, it means like the opacity is something that we are going to give. Okay, so let's give img2 comma 0.7. so your img2 will be more visible than img1. Okay, so we have given the two images as well as their weights, as well as we are going to give the gamma value, which is the measurement of light. Let's give 0, so which means there won't be a light. Okay, so now what we have to do is let's give im show cv2 dot im show of added images, and now let's give the image variable which is img. Okay, now let's give the wait key. So after how many seconds, let's give 5000 and let's give the destroy. Okay, so all these things in all the programs, they are important. Okay, either you can give 0 as well as for the wait key, it's okay. So now let's save this. Okay, let's save it here as cv23. let's save it and let's see how the image looks like. So here you can see the only difference is for what, 2 and 1 and 2, right? Because I took the thumbnails of 1 and 2. Okay, and you can see that 2 is much more visible than 1, right? So there here is the only space where you have got the difference. Okay, so this is how you add. Okay, so suppose we are going to give the measurement of light as 255. Okay, and let's see, it will be a white because it's completely of the light. Okay, so because I want the light to be 0, I can give 0. Okay, so there is no measurement of light in this program. Okay, I hope this was clear to you. If you have any doubts, please do ping me up in my comment box, okay, so that I can get back to you. Okay, so now let's do the subtraction. For that, first of all, you need two images. I am going to take the same image itself. Now let's create a new variable for subtraction. Let's do like cv2 dot subtract. Let's give img1 comma img2. Okay, so now what happens is from the image 2 the image 1 gets subtracted. Okay, now let's show it. cv2 dot imshow. Let's give like subtracted image is equals to sub. Okay, which means in this sub we are going to store the subtracted image, right? Now let's give cv2 dot weight key of 0 as well as cv2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, so now you can see that it's completely black with what 2 and 1 are the only things that are visible, right? From the 2 the 1 is being subtracted. Now let's do 2 and 1. Because they are giving like this subtraction and masking, because other than that both of them are of the same color, right? That's the only reason why you can see it as black. Okay, because in the matrix both the images, each cells has got the same numbers itself, so by subtracting it will be subtracted. Okay, let's take some other and see. Okay, so now I have taken the next image and let's see. Okay, I think there is no image of that name. Let's just go back and confirm the name. 1 minute. I have replaced the name. Let's see. No, let's take some other image. Okay, because this image is not working. Okay, here let's see, there is some other image. Okay, they are of not the same size, right? So that is the problem. So now let's take some other image itself. Okay, let's take this and just make a try. Okay, they both are same, right? So after the matrix subtraction, because all the colors that are same has been masked to black and rest of the things you can see, right? This is how to answer Tell Me About Myself for Freshers in 2021. Both of them are the YouTube thumbnails itself, but the problem is that after the subtraction, whatever is the color that you can see, it won't be the same color that is reflecting back to you afterwards, because it does the subtraction of arrays. Okay, so the same component in the two images gets subtracted and the corresponding color is shown. Okay, so now let's study about the color spaces. Okay, how can we separate the colors from a colored image into 3 channels? Okay, into different channels. Okay, so let's take a image and let's make it into a blue channel image, red channel image, as well as the blue, red and green channel images. Okay, for that I'll be choosing one of the image. Let's take it to be img2. I'll change it to img. Okay, now let's do the program code for color spaces. Okay, so here is our image. Let's take B, G and R. Okay, and we are going to just do like CV. So here what we are going to do is, let's give like BG and R is equals to CV2 dot split of the image, okay, which will convert all the images into the 3 channels, okay. So now let's give first like CV2 dot IM show of the original image, and let's give IMG. This is just to show you how my image looked like, okay, before separating into 3 different channels, okay. Now let's give destroy all windows, okay. So now let's see how my image look like, okay. It's like in a colored image. The thumbnail of this video or the previous video, right? Now let's see how the red channel image look like. Let's give it to be red channeled image, okay. Let's see, all my red would be cancelling each other and would be giving me gray in color, okay. Now let's do is that, let's see how my blue channel image looks like, because in my thumbnail there is no blue in color, so I don't think there would be something to be erased off. You can see there is nothing in the blue, but these colors actually changed, right? My red actually changed. Now let's try with the green. Let's change here in the I am show green, okay. So now everything looks alike. Let me first go and download another image for you guys, a colored image, so that you will be able to understand more clearly. So now I have downloaded another image for you guys. So let's just replace it with the France image, okay. In the F, I think you will be having this image. I have downloaded an image called France, okay. Here you have got that, okay. Now let's see how a green color image looks like. You can see that all the green has been taken off. So I'll show you how the original image look like, okay. Let's try to show the IMG, and this is the image with the green, blue and every colors. So let's try to check the blue color image, how it look like. Yes, all the blue. Here you can see the sky became white. Why? Because it's a blue colored image and the blue channel is removed, right? So that is the reason. Now let's see the red channel image. Let's go take the red, okay. Red means everything became dark because the red channel is actually removed, right? So this is how all the 3 channels you are able to separate, okay. I hope this video you like this video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell button so that you will be able to get the notifications once when I put the new videos, okay. Bye students, see you in the next video with some other interesting topics. Bye.